sun will rise long after I've given up on sleeping. Can almost hear the wind outside, as loud as my heart is beating. The house is quiet, my busy mind wonders what I'm missing. But I'm right where I belong.
What is loyalty for me? Ang isasagot ko, yung asawa ko si Alanis.
July 11 po kasi noon. Tapos parang feel ko, sobrang nahilo ko. Isang pregnancy test ako. It's positive. Tapos naisip ko, wala pa kasi akong gift sa kanya. Sabi ko, ito na lang. As I look back and reminisce all the good and the bad we had, everything was also worth it just to see us get married today.
Napakasimple lang ng pangarap natin before. Makakain ng sabay during break time, makapunta ng mall para makanood ng sine, maging blockmates para mas maraming time together. All of that was just the beginning. Uy.
Buntis si Alanis? Hindi ko talaga kahit nahihilo ako, hindi ko talaga sinasabi sa kanya kasi gusto kong surprise talaga. Gusto ko ma-surprise siya.
I am mom's wedding gift. Pero yung gift niya sa akin is magiging daddy na po ako. Daddy, daddy, daddy!
11 years with you has been a roller coaster, but thank you for fighting and sticking around when all I can give is just me.
Alam niyo po, mahal na mahal ko po talaga si Alanis. Dahil nung time na na-lay off ako sa work, wala na akong pera pambili ng pagkain, hindi niya ako iniwan during that time. I love you because you never stop loving me, lalo nung times na kahit ako hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko. Pero ikaw, sinamahan mo ako sa lahat ng struggles ko mula umpisa. That is so... Sa 11 years natin, I never answered you sa tanong mo kung bakit kita mahal. Totoo po yan. But now, the answer is very clear. I simply love you because tanggap ko na we are imperfect for each other.
You're the best mama and I wouldn't trade you for anyone else. I love you, mama. Know that I'll always be here for you.
The timing is perfect, or should I say that God's timing is always perfect. And everything you see right now and what you have now are the things that we made together. And babe, you deserve all of this without a question. will always love you, babe. Always, always. And take care of you and our family forever and ever, babe.
Mahal na mahal kita at parati kong ipaparamdam at sasabihin sa'yo mula noon, ngayon at panghabang